Understanding drone footage, a beginner's guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating term you might have heard, drone footage. This term is increasingly popular in the world of photography and videography. Let's dive into what it means and why it's important. Before we understand drone footage, it's crucial to know what a drone is. Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are flying machines controlled remotely or autonomously. They come in various sizes and are used for different purposes, including photography and videography. Now, let's talk about drone footage. This term refers to the video or images captured by a camera mounted on a drone. Due to their ability to fly and reach areas that are otherwise inaccessible, drones can capture unique aerial views and perspectives, offering a bird's-eye view of landscapes, events, and more. Drone footage is used in various fields. It's popular in filmmaking for capturing stunning aerial shots. In journalism, drones provide footage of inaccessible areas. Real estate agents use drone footage to showcase properties. In tourism, it's used to display scenic views. The possibilities are endless. While drone footage is exciting, it's important to be aware of legal and ethical considerations. Different countries have regulations regarding where and how drones can be flown. It's crucial to respect privacy and not film people without their consent. I hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of what drone footage is and its significance in today's world. Remember, while it opens up new vistas for creativity, it's equally important to use this technology responsibly. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.